So, this is the ZF driveline brake, e-brake, park brake, whatever you want to call it, mounted on, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to get yours mounted on if you ain't got the bolts or just upgrading to one of these. The bolt size, this is what my bolt size was. M10 by 150 times 50. Now this is almost a 2-inch bolt. Oh, probably a little over 2-inch long bolt. They fit perfect. They are not too long. They stick out a little. That's what you want. Now I do make a gasket goes in between this. It's more of a dust gasket. Maybe it helps space it out a little. Recommend if you ain't got that gasket to make one, or just use a little silicone. Mine actually come from Allstate Gears. My gasket did. Now the e-brake, basically you just push it to a little of the, the spring tension is on it, and then you hook it in there. It uses a little clip, and that keeps it from when you do activate it, it ain't active, but the spring tension helps the cable stretch back out. So you want that. I got new driveline shackles, hooks, whatever you want to call them. I ain't installed them yet. I also come from Allstate Gear, but that's all you need. Basically is 6 bolts right here. They do got torque specs. I didn't torque mine down. I actually just snugged them as tight as I can get them. You can get to every one of these with a shorty socket, but this side is pretty tight over here on the fastener side. But all in all, that's the final finished product. It uses mecron 5 fluid. That's what you put in it to fill it up. You take your little fill plug out the side of it, you fill it up till it runs out of the plug, same way you do the transmission, and you pretty well put your plug back in it and you're good to go. But I'm happy. We got a new transmission that's been rebuilt in this truck now. Driveline brake, it was a pain. I'm telling you guys, if you're thinking about rebuilding this unit and you got one of these, it's going to be a headache. Hopefully my videos is helpful on the subject, but it's not a job for the timid. Sometimes it's best just buy a new unit. If you found this video any bit helpful, or a little bit of information on how you bolt it on and stuff, it just slides up on it and you just use this side bolts and hit bolts on, put your drive line on it, and you're good to go. It's that simple. So be sure to drop a like, leave a comment if you found this helpful and you was looking for the size bolts you needed or something, or just any of my videos helped you. And smash that subscribe button to show your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.